Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Syam stated that in order to do something unique, we have to be very courageous, hardworking and fit, besides possessing talents. He was flagging off cyclist G. Ingobi Chingtham, who will be in a lone cycle tour from Imphal to Bangladesh, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia and Singapore. Students of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, staged a sitting protest at the school gate demanding justice for baby Sana, who died allegedly after committing suicide inside the Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur boarding on July 18 last. During the protest, the students held several placards demanding justice for the 13-year-old girl. Retired Lieutenant General L. Nishikanta Singh has been appointed as the new chairman of Manipur Public Service Commission. The announcement was made by Chief Secretary of Manipur, Dr. Suhail Akhtar. 7th Annual Function for Reformation and Renovation Day of Incarnation of Aphao Chinghu was observed by Apahao, Huimayol, Huifa, Huithabalo, Ereng Phabi today. The observance was attended by Titular King of Manipur, Laisemba Sanajauba, MLA of Thanga constituency T. Robindro and other well-known personalities. Offering prayers and rituals were the main highlights of the observance. Rotary Club Polo City, Imphal today conducted a one-day blood donation camp on the theme Service Over Self at the Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat. It was held as a part of Rotary Club's monthly blood donation campaign. All Manipur Students' Union Yaripok branch planted various saplings today in connection with the union's 54th Foundation Day at several schools of Yaripok. President of AMSU Yaripok branch Senjam Ronaldo said a month-long tree plantation program will be carried out at various places to mark the anniversary, which will be observed on August 28. The Bain KCP Military Joint Committee today celebrated its 5th Raising Day. The outfit presented gifts and offered meals to the inmates of several orphanage homes and old-age homes to mark the occasion. The Raising Day celebration was held at the outfit's headquarters and other parts of Manipur. A statement released to the media by KCP Military Joint Committee informed.